Hello students, welcome you all again. Today I am going to continue the same topic, which is the organs of Indian government, the legislature. So today we have to read these topics: quorum of the Rajya Sabha, the Lok Sabha, its composition, qualification, disqualification, speaker, speaker's power, functions and role. So I am going to explain quorum of the Rajya Sabha. A minimum number of members required to be present to conduct a meeting of the Rajya Sabha is known as the quorum. The quorum of the Rajya Sabha is presence of 1/10 of its member. Example, 25 members of the Rajya Sabha. Example, I'll give you. If the house has total number of member 250, as I taught you, at least amongst these at least 25 members should be present in the meeting. 1/10 means at least 25 members amongst 250. Out of 250, 25 members should be present in this meeting. It is must to be present before a meeting or session of the Rajya Sabha can be held. Next I'll explain you the Lok Sabha. The Lok Sabha is the house of people. It is called the lower house also. It is called the house of people because in India those who are 18 years old or above age, so they are able to vote. They are able to elect their members without any discrimination, of their caste, their religion, their color, etc. And it is called the lower house because it is on the first floor of the parliament building. Now I'll explain you the composition of Lok Sabha. In Lok Sabha, it consists 552 members, but now it has 545 members. Out of 552 members, 530 members are directly elected. Directly elected means these members are elected by the citizens of India. Those who are 18 years or above age, they are eligible to elect their member without any discrimination of religion, their caste, etc. Out of 250, 20 members represents union territories, but out of 545 it presents now 30 members. These two members are elected by or nominated by the President of India. They are from Anglo-Indian community. Its term is 5 years. So you can see in the picture the leader of house, the Prime Minister is the leader of the house, the Lok Sabha. You can see the Mr. Narendra Modi in the picture. I'll explain you the qualifications. A citizen of India. A member should be a citizen of India, 25 years of age, at least 25 years of age or above. Third one, possessing such other qualifications as may be fixed by a law of the parliament. Maybe can be hold, possessing means hold or control such other qualifications as may be fixed by the law of the parliament. Last one, registered as a voter in any of the parliamentary constituencies means that registered areas or the elected areas, they have to register as a voter in elected areas. Now I'll explain you the disqualifications of members. Holds any office of profit at the center level or state level. He or she should not be any center or state level on any position. He should leave her or his job on center level or state level. Second one is of unsound mind and has been declared so by a court. Unsound mind means defective or imperfect mind he or she should not be any imperfect or defective mind which has been declared by any court or a court or any court is a proclaimed criminal. He or she should not be any criminal record. So if these any disqualification a member, if any person will have, so he or she cannot be a member of Rajya Sabha or Lok Sabha. To maintain order in the house, he or she may name of a member for suspension or can suspend or delay. In case of grave disorder, he or she may adjourn the house. The last one is the speaker can disqualify a member under the anti-defection law. Anti-defection law means if any member from one party change their or his or her party and shift in another party, so on that time the speaker can disqualify a member. So I'll continue it in my next video. Thank you. Now the speaker of Lok Sabha. The Lok Sabha elects its own speaker from amongst its members. He or she presides over its sitting. You can see in the picture Om Birla. He is the current speaker of the Lok Sabha. You can see in the picture. Now I'll explain you powers, functions and role of the speaker. The speaker of the Lok Sabha plays a significant role in the Lok Sabha. The first is the speaker regulates the proceeding and debates in the Lok Sabha, means progress and debates of in the Lok Sabha. He or she decides whether a bill is a money bill or an ordinary bill. Money bill means it generally covers the issue of receipt and spending of money such as tax laws, laws governing borrowing and expenditure of the government. And an ordinary bill is a bill that can be represented for discussion in any of the two houses of the parliament by a minister or private ministers.